So I stole this viral AI animal guitar niche from TikTok. Copy pasted the idea, added my own creativity into that, and earned so many followers and so many views out of these videos. So today exactly I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and just take a niche from TikTok or YouTube, add your own creativity into that, upload those videos and earn millions and millions of views. So yeah, make sure to watch this video till the end, and without further ado you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alright guys, so let me give you a quick go through of how we're going to go ahead and create these viral AI animal guitar shots. So first of all, for that, we're going to go ahead and create the prompts. Then we're going to go ahead and take these prompts and create the images. Then for the next step, we're going to animate these images into like clips just like these, as you guys can see right over here. After that, we're going to go ahead and take some guitar sound effects, compile everything together, and boom, our viral AI animal guitar shots would be ready, you guys, right? So yeah, first of all, we're going to go ahead and create our prompts. So for that, as you guys can see, I basically taken just a simple screenshot of an animal who is playing guitar, and I have typed in my prompt that this is a viral AI guitar video which showcases an animal or an insect or a bird sitting somewhere with the guitar in their hand and playing it. It looks amazing and unique. So with this image as a reference, I need you to generate multiple prompts, up to at least 10-15 prompts showcasing different animal, insect or bird playing guitar with beautiful background, etc. So this would be our prompt. You have to be very descriptive with ChatGPT in order to get the perfect prompts for our images, you guys, right? So yeah, ChatGPT provided me with different animals who are playing guitar with different backgrounds, but we're not gonna go ahead and stop over here. We're gonna put our more and more creativity in our prompts. So yeah, our next prompt would be add some style to each creature, right, to make it unique, like glasses, or use your creativity. Like, we can go ahead and take this, like you can see a wolf here, he's wearing a jacket. Then we have a traditional elephant in some very traditional background playing some guitar or music. Then we have this penguin who is obviously in some neon lit cityscape. Then we have these kind of images. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and add some own unique style into that just to stand out and get better and better, like very eye-catchy results. So yeah, ChatGPT now provides me with perfect prompts. So yeah, now we have all playing guitar in a moonlit forest, and we have fox playing guitar by a campfire, rockstar fox. Then we have elephant playing guitar on a riverbank. So yeah, now we have very unique eye-catchy prompts for our images. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna copy these prompts and then jump to our next step, which will be creating images with the help of these prompts, right? So yeah, for that, I'm gonna go ahead and use FlexClip AI image generator. And for that, I'm gonna simply go ahead and copy my prompt right over here. Make sure to choose your style as photo, and the model will be ultra ratio. We're gonna go ahead and choose 9:16 because obviously we are creating a short type format, you guys, right? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and click on generate. So yeah, just like that, ChatGPT is gonna basically provide me with all of the images for our desired prompts, which were these. So yeah, now we have all the images right over here. So now from here, I'm gonna choose the best images that I like the most. So I'm gonna take like 6 to 7 animal playing guitar images from here. Okay, so now what would be our third step? We need to go ahead and animate those images, right? So for that, we're gonna go ahead and choose the best AI video generator, which is Hailuo AI. So over here, I'm gonna simply go ahead and paste the image right over here, like I've pasted this one, a parrot who is playing guitar, a very colorful guitar, as you guys can see right over here, you guys, right? And in the prompt box, we have to be very much descriptive. Like I'm going to show you, I have input the prompt like keep the camera still and add natural movements to the fingers playing guitar so that it can be blend with every background guitar music. So make sure to provide these kind of information in Hailuo AI so that your prompt does not mess up and you don't get some unusual generation into that. So yeah, don't worry guys, if you want to go ahead and get access to those prompts, I'm going to provide the link down in the description so you can jump into our website and get access to all of the different prompts to get started right away, you guys, right? So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and simply click on generate, and for that it basically provided me with this result. So you guys can see it looks absolutely perfect. There's no deformation in the hands, there's no multiple hands, multiple fingers. The video has blended very accurately with the parrot playing guitar, and there's no like some crazy effect down here that can ruin our video. So yeah, the output looks amazing. And similarly for that, I'm gonna go ahead and create videos for all that just like that. Make sure your prompt should be exactly like this so that you don't mess up your videos, you guys, right? So yeah, after I'm done with all of my generation, I'm gonna simply go ahead and download my favorite ones. All right, so after all of my generations are downloaded, you guys can see I have so many generations right over here. So from here, what we have to do is we need to go ahead and download some background music, some guitar music for our video. So for that, I'm going to jump into a very good royalty-free MP3 and background music track, which is Pixabay. And I'm going to go ahead and simply search guitar over here and download some of the best ones, some of my most favorite guitar sounds. All right, so for our final step, we need to go ahead and edit those clips. So for that, I'm going to use any online editor you like. You can use CapCut, you can use Filmora, but I'll be using FlexClip, which is another very good, online AI video editor. So I'm going to simply import my files over here one by one. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and import my guitar music over here as well. Simply just drag over here on the timeline. It's going to look like this. So make sure you select the aspect ratio as 9:16. All right, yeah, just like this, and simply drag my audio right over here. So now this is how it's going to look like, and after that, I'm going to simply go ahead and export this. And after all these steps, this is how your videos is going to look like take a look at this. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was a very amazing, a very viral niche that's going really trendy nowadays. So you can go ahead and adapt these niche in no time. Just simply follow these easy steps. You're gonna create these videos very, very easily and just simply upload it on YouTube, TikTok, and earn lots of followers. As I told you in the beginning, like you can earn million of views in these kind of videos, you guys, right? So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.